मजा आ रहा है? क्या हो रहा है तुम्हारे साथ आज?
The evening drips like honey, oh so slow. A saxophone whispers where shadows go. Gentle piano paints the twilight's hue as cobblestone sighs beneath our shoes. The books are sleeping on the dusty shelves, and stories of lives and forgotten selves. A cafe's hum, a gentle drum in play, echoes the footsteps of an endless day. Oh, city lights, they flicker like a dream. Reflections move on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow. And wistful wanderings of all we know. The drizzle dancing
कैसा लग रहा है?
softly on the street.
बोलो,
Its
मजा आ रहा है?
rhythm a pulse
गुस्सा कर रहा था इसमें?
beneath our retreat. Old stories rise with the scent of rain. The sax sings again, an echo refrain. Oh, isn't life a fleeting kind of art? The tender kind